Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best 3D puzzles is probably one of the most satisfying hobbies you can get into. They offer a unique blend of challenge and creativity, perfect for those seeking a break from the digital world. These puzzles not only provide hours of entertainment but also stimulate your mind, enhancing problem-solving skills and spatial reasoning. Whether you're a seasoned puzzler or a beginner, the world of 3D puzzles has something to offer everyone. Number 5. ROKR Wooden Marble Run 3D Puzzle. This classic wooden marble run is a great addition to any collection. It features a traditional wood material and a retro waterhole design. It's a fun and engaging 3D puzzle for adults and older kids. Watch as the gears work together in perfect harmony. Turning the hand crank sends the metal marbles on a journey along 2 tracks. The process is fascinating and will elevate your puzzle-solving experience. These 3D wooden puzzles are unique and suitable for all ages. With its attractive design, it makes a great home decor item. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves puzzles, men or women. Made with high-latitude selected basswoods, this puzzle is built to last. Our laser cut technology ensures precision, with errors less than 1/200 mm, spare parts are included, so you don't need to worry about any broken parts. We provide a detailed how-to booklet with easy-to-follow, step-by-step tutorials. Each wooden part is laser marked with a unique code. It's a suitable wooden model kit for beginners. ROKR offers free replacement of damaged parts. If you have any problems, we're here to help. Just contact us, and we'll reply within 12 hours. What we like? This puzzle boasts a classic marble run design, offering a nostalgic and engaging building experience. Its detailed mechanical workings provide a fascinating look into how gears and tracks interact. If you're looking for a unique gift that combines fun and functionality, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate both a challenge and a beautiful display piece. What people say? It is amazing. First of all, I have to say it's not easy to assemble because all pieces are designed to snap to each other super tight. When the whole toy was put together, we were surprised to find out that the parkour runs the marbles endlessly. Very nice kit and a great conversation piece once complete. It was easy to assemble. The parts are laid out nicely and easily removable from the carrier boards. The instruction book is well written, consisting of very good graphic pictures showing each step clearly. Number 4. Pintoo S1035 3D Puzzle Vase. This unique vase is made from 160 curved puzzle pieces. It comes with a detachable water cup and stand. The finished size is 4.4 inches in diameter and 9.5 inches in height without a stand. This 3D puzzle vase is perfect for home decoration. It features a vivid and eye-catching pattern. The narrow mouth is ideal for single flowers or bouquets. This versatile vase makes a great gift for anyone who loves home decor. It's perfect for housewarmings, weddings, or holidays like Christmas and Thanksgiving. The curved jigsaw puzzles connect firmly without glue. You can display or use it for flower arrangements immediately after assembly. The pattern on this vase is vivid and eye-catching, adding personality to any room. Plus, Pintoo offers free missing piece replacement. What we like? This puzzle offers a unique vase design, perfect for flower arrangements and home decor. The finished product is both functional and decorative, adding a touch of personality to any room. If you are looking for a creative gift for a housewarming or a loved one, this vase is a great choice. It's a beautiful way to combine art and practicality. What people say? The puzzle pieces fit together perfectly. The finished product is a beautiful and intricate model. The 3D aspect adds an extra layer of challenge and fun. Number 3. Brain Teaser 20 PCS Wooden 3D Puzzle. This simple yet engaging brain teaser is perfect for testing your logic and creativity. It's a fun way to pass the time and improve your focus. Inspired by the ancient Kong Ming lock, this wooden 3D puzzle offers a unique challenge. It's designed to stimulate your mind and provide hours of entertainment. The puzzle features smooth metal coils with no sharp edges, ensuring safe play. The links are made from heavy-duty stainless steel, making it durable and long-lasting. Looking for a great gift? This 3D brain teaser is ideal for Christmas, office parties, or any special event. It's a compact puzzle that can be enjoyed anywhere. We are confident you'll love this IQ test toy. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll provide a solution. Click Add to Cart for a risk-free purchase. What we like. This puzzle provides a brain-teasing challenge, perfect for testing logic and focus. The durable metal construction ensures long-lasting play without the risk of damage. If you like a fun way to pass time and challenge your mind, then this is the perfect choice. It's a great gift for any occasion, offering hours of entertainment. What people say. The puzzle pieces fit together perfectly. The finished product is a beautiful and intricate piece of art. The 3D aspect adds a fun and challenging element to the puzzle. Number 2. RoWood Starry Night Music Box 3D Puzzle. This 3D wooden puzzle is more than just a model, it's a musical experience. Turning the handle activates a high-quality music movement, playing the beautiful melody of Memory, from Cats. It's a delightful way to enjoy music. The Starry Night Music Box is a DIY project with 84 pre-cut wooden pieces. You assemble it yourself, creating a unique piece of art. It's a fun and engaging activity for adults. Crafted from natural wood, this puzzle uses advanced laser cutting technology. The pieces are precise, smooth, and easy to remove. The burr-free design ensures a pleasant building experience. The kit includes clear English instructions with pictures. Everything is clearly marked and labeled, making the assembly process enjoyable. You'll find it easy to put together. This music box puzzle is a great activity to share with family or friends. It strengthens relationships and creates lasting memories. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. What we like. This puzzle combines music and mechanics, offering a delightful auditory and visual experience. The easy self-assembly process makes it enjoyable for all skill levels. If you are looking for a unique gift that combines art and music, then you should consider this. It's perfect for birthdays or Christmas, offering a memorable and engaging experience. What people say. The puzzle is well made and the pieces fit together snugly. The 3D effect is impressive and adds an extra layer of challenge and visual appeal. The finished product is a beautiful display piece. Number 1. Jollitot 3D Cave Forest Puzzle. This stunning 3D puzzle transports you to a serene forest scene. It features a layered design with a dreamy depth of field, perfect for any puzzle enthusiast. Witness a winding river flowing towards mountain peaks under swirling clouds. More than just a puzzle, it transforms any room into a window to the wild. Crafted with precision using high-density fiberboard and advanced UV printing. Each piece is laser-cut for a seamless fit, ensuring a smooth and durable experience. Engage your imagination and creativity with every piece. It offers a calming escape, perfect for solo relaxation or fun family bonding, providing hours of entertainment. Packaged in an elegant gift box, it makes a thoughtful present for any occasion. Delight your loved ones with a gift that combines beauty and challenge. Your satisfaction is our priority, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Contact us for a hassle-free refund or replacement if you encounter any issues. Buy with confidence. What we like. This puzzle features unique animal-shaped pieces, adding an extra layer of challenge and visual interest. The stunning 3D artistic design creates a beautiful piece of art. If you like a puzzle that is both challenging and visually stunning, this is the perfect choice. It's a great gift for any occasion, offering hours of entertainment and a beautiful display piece. What people say. The pieces fit nicely together. The colors are accurate and bright. The odd shapes made them fun to put together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.